Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not subscribed, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything that I post. Grace Mondlane just gave people another reason to hate her, honestly, to drag her, because people always find things to drag her about. Sometimes they valid, sometimes they not. So she basically lied to people last year saying that she bought a house. But it turns out she didn't buy it. She was renting the house, and now she's moving out because she got kicked out of her place. This is what she said.
I am moving again, but this time I got kicked out. About 6 months ago, I moved into what I thought would be my home for the next couple of years. I even put down an offer to purchase it, but I later on changed my mind. On paper, it just made sense. I was 24, I didn't have a puppy. It was just perfect for me. Until it just wasn't. We clocked 2026 and I had to restructure my long-term financial goals. And unfortunately, purchasing property for my personal use did not make it on the list. And you will of course find out why in due time. So I revoked my offer to purchase this property and I was then issued a notice to leave the property, as the new owner is going to be moving in soon. So for the first time, my moving is involuntary. You saw the amount of effort I had put into this place before everything changed. It is all detachable, all my custom furniture pieces, my curtains, they are leaving with me. I will always turn a place that I live in into a home. I can always move, but I will never recover a financial mistake that I would have made in my 20s. No one knows my finances better than I do myself. So what do we do when life gives us lemons? We simply turn them into lemonade. I'm just a girl trying to figure it all out.
A lot of people are saying she's living for the internet and doesn't know that internet people always want more from you regardless of how much you give. And of course, others were so mean, saying that she gives psychopath vibes. And this person said, you can't wear designer, eat out at high-end restaurants, drive the big car, afford to build a home. This generation wants to have it all at once and end up suffocating one step at a time. Can't agree with that more. But I don't think she's faking anything. We all know she can't afford it. I obviously don't agree with her lying to people saying that she bought the house last year, but I feel like this is not so bad. As much as I don't believe you can just cancel an offer without any repercussions, especially if the offer was accepted by the owners. She's going to explain, she said, she's going to let people know what she can in the future. But if she really did put in the offer to purchase, then she suffered a lot of loss, a lot of penalties if it was accepted, and also the agent fees and the deposit she could have put out in order to buy the house. But then she said that she was doing all of this so that she can get her deposit back. So I'm really confused, but I do think that it's a smart move on her part. There's no point in staying in a house that you can't afford just so social media can be happy with you or be happy for you. At the end of the day, you're the one who has sleepless nights because you can't afford the electricity bill, you can't afford literally anything. So Mina, I'm happy that she decided to leave and decided not to buy the house if she saw that it was going to financially strain her. It was a smart move on her part, regardless of what people are saying, regardless of the fact that she made everybody congratulate her on buying her first property, like I said, but it was not true at the end of the day. Because by the time she moved in there, she would have known that she can't afford the house. So that means she should have told her fans that she's moving into a rental and not buying the place. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.